If you're a homeowner in Jacksonville Beach, you know how important it is to maintain and improve your property to maximize its value. With the beautiful coastal location, abundant sunshine, and laid-back lifestyle, Jacksonville Beach is a sought-after area for potential buyers. One key home improvement that can significantly enhance your home's appeal and value is installing new windows. While it may seem like a small update, new windows offer numerous benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply looking to increase the long-term value of your home, upgrading your windows can make a huge impact. Here's how new windows can boost the value of your Jacksonville Beach home. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially in a competitive real estate market. The exterior of your home plays a huge role in attracting potential buyers, and windows are one of the most visible aspects of your property's facade. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look dated or neglected, which could turn buyers away before they even step inside. On the other hand, new windows can give your home a fresh, modern look that appeals to a wide range of buyers. When you replace your windows, you have the opportunity to choose styles and colors that complement your home's exterior, enhancing its overall curb appeal. Buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home that looks well maintained and updated, increasing the likelihood of a quicker sale at a higher price. Increased energy efficiency. One of the most practical benefits of installing new windows is the potential to reduce your energy bills. Older windows may be drafty, letting in outside air and allowing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. With Jacksonville Beach's hot summers and mild winters, maintaining an energy-efficient home is crucial for comfort and cost savings. New windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are designed to provide better insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient windows can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, helping to lower your monthly utility bills. This improvement not only makes your home more comfortable but also more appealing to potential buyers who are looking for cost-effective solutions in a home. Enhanced security and safety. In addition to their aesthetic and energy-saving benefits, new windows can also enhance the safety and security of your Jacksonville Beach home. Older windows can be a security risk, as they may be easier to break into or may not close and lock properly. With upgraded windows, you can choose options that offer stronger frames, impact-resistant glass, and improved locking mechanisms, which can help keep your home secure from intruders. Moreover, new windows with safety features such as tempered glass and secure latches can be a major selling point for families or buyers with children. This added layer of safety can significantly increase your home's desirability and value. Noise reduction. Living near the beach is a dream for many, but the sound of ocean winds, waves, and even busy tourist traffic can sometimes be a downside. New windows, particularly those with soundproofing features, can significantly reduce noise pollution from the outside. This can be a major selling point for potential buyers looking for a quiet, peaceful living environment. By installing windows with noise-reducing glass or enhanced seals, you can create a more tranquil atmosphere inside your home, making it a more appealing place to live. The added comfort of a quieter home is a feature that many homebuyers are willing to pay a premium for, especially in areas where noise can be an issue. Long-term durability and maintenance savings. New windows are often designed to be more durable and low maintenance than older models. Many modern windows feature vinyl or fiberglass frames, which require less upkeep than traditional wood frames. These materials are resistant to rot, warping, and fading, which means you won't have to spend as much time or money maintaining them. With fewer maintenance needs, your home will remain in top condition for longer, and potential buyers will appreciate the reduced upkeep required. This can make your home more attractive, especially for those looking for a property with minimal long-term maintenance costs. Return on investment. And finally, it's important to note that replacing old windows can offer a significant return on investment, ROI. According to remodeling cost versus value reports, homeowners can expect to recoup a large portion of the cost of window replacement when they sell their home. In some cases, the ROI can be upwards of 70%, depending on the type of windows installed and the overall market conditions in Jacksonville Beach. While the upfront cost of replacing windows may seem high, the long-term financial benefits, both in terms of energy savings and increased home value, can make it a wise investment. Conclusion. Replacing the windows in your Jacksonville Beach home is a smart way to increase its value and appeal. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency and security, new windows offer a wide range of benefits for both homeowners and potential buyers. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to make it a more comfortable and cost-effective place to live, upgrading your windows is a change that pays off in many ways. If you're considering updating your home, consult with a professional window installer to explore your options and see how new windows can transform your Jacksonville Beach property.